Hi, I'm Dr. Deepa Shetty here, and I'm a health coach. My mission is to create health for all or to create a healthy world. When we speak about health, what does that mean? It just doesn't mean absence of disease. Now, if you try to dissect this word disease, it just means dis-ease. That means there is no ease. So when we don't have, or when we are not at ease, not only on a physical level but also on a mind and emotional level, this is where there is a soil and a base or something wherein any kind of external agent can grow. So, what does that mean? Which means our body are functioning in sync with each other. All the organs that we have in our body, from our brain to our heart to our lungs to the smallest capillaries in your hand, is functioning in rhythm with each other. When this rhythm is lost, when there is no ease in our body, this is where we invite a lot of external agent, and this is where our immunities do go low, and this is when when the systems are functioning in havoc. One of the system might be less or more. I mean, the hormones can be high or can be low, and this is where you get lifestyle oriented diseases or organ oriented diseases like diabetes and thyroid. So functioning of your system or having your system at ease is a very important tool to remain healthy. So, how do we achieve it? I have been speaking in various of videos about being in present. So, being in present, what does that mean? That means getting aware of now, of this moment. Even if you are trying to achieve a goal in the future, even if you are learning from the past experience, you are now at this moment. And when we are in this moment, we gotta be. And how do you have to be in this moment? I mean, we know we have to be in this moment. I'm doing something and I'm in this moment talking to you all, trying to trying to get whatever I can, or trying to add that value which I have perceived in my life and I have seen it to be making me at ease, and that's what I want to give you all. So at this moment right now, that's what I'm trying to do. This is where the now comes from. And how do I do it? I have to do it with intensity and relax mode. Now, when I mean intense and relax, it doesn't mean that I have to be. Usually, the intense word gets confused with being tensed, and relaxed word gets confused. Or we usually, when we say relaxed, we become lax. And lax as well as tense both do not get you at ease. Remember, if you want to keep yourself at ease, your system at ease, no amount of tension can help you out there, and no amount of lax ability or just being, you know, not doing anything doesn't help. Not being relaxed doesn't mean lax. Relaxed means relaxed. So when you're doing something, it's important that you're totally involved in it. That is what intensity means. Involving yourself completely with focus and concentration at that thing, what you're doing right now, is an intensity that my involvement is complete out here and my focus is complete out here. And relax means I'm not tensed about it, like whether I will be able to do it at this in right time. Will it come perfect? Will I do it well? Will I be judged if I'm not doing it right? Will it happen the way I want it? Will it be perfect? All this dialogue which is there in your head doesn't keep you relaxed. So it's important that you're relaxed, with the relaxed mind frame, trying to do what you can from the best of ability you have, and leaving rest to the other things that are going to help it happen. Your energy doesn't, I mean, when you're doing something, only not your energy is involved. The energy of your team members are involved, energy of the environment is involved, energy of the higher universe is involved. So things will happen as they're supposed to be. Whether they happen, whether they don't happen, they're supposed to be the way it is. And when it is like that and you keep this in mind, you will be in a relaxed mode. And remember, this relaxed mode will help you to get best out of you. So, involving completely in what you do, being in the present moment, and do it in a very relaxed mode, not in a lax mode. Remember that relaxed means there's no tension out there. You are just doing your best at that point of time with whatever ability you have and helping yourself with the best of you. This will inspire others too, and you will see the environment around you, the colleagues, the team member, everyone is enjoying working with you. And the work atmosphere gets what you want to get. Everything else is secondary. Your health, you yourself, is very important because you are the one who are going to get it done. So keeping your health in check, it's important that you remain intense, which means completely involved in what you're doing and in a relaxed mode. If you remain relaxed, your muscles are not tensed, your brain is not tensed, and your mind is completely, and the emotions are not going uphill here and there. They are just in a right amount of moderation. This is where the balance comes from. When we speak about balancing everything, this is where the balance comes from. So today's take home thing is be intense and relaxed in whatever you do, and you see you are there where you are and you are who you are. That's what speaks more than anything else. Hope this video added some value to you. Thank you for listening to me. Stay tuned and do write in the comment section, did you like this? Thanks a lot. See you again.